Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel and welcome to an evening clean with me. So we are getting ready to leave on holidays tomorrow. So that's why you see some laundry, there's some unboxing that I've done. Overall, it's a big pickup. It's not really a deep clean this time. I actually deep cleaned and washed the floors a couple days ago. It doesn't look like it, obviously, but things pile up because I was busy trying to prep everything to go away. So it's just a lot of stuff just lying around. Not terrible, but I want to finish it before I go to bed. So I'm giving myself a couple of hours. It's about 8 o'clock. And I want to finish this around 10. It's not too hard. I'm pretty sure I can do it. So I hope that you enjoy this video. Let me know what you think. Let me know any products or ways that you like to clean, and do you prefer to clean in the morning or at night? I hope you enjoy. Mentioned, but this is my absolute favorite vacuum cleaner. This is the Shark Rotator True Pet, and it completely comes apart. You can lift away the canister so that you just have the vacuum part, as I'm doing here, and you can get under furniture. It comes with many attachments, and I love the lights so that you can really see all the dirt on the ground and what you are vacuuming up. It has so much power. I used to have a Dyson, and I don't think I'll ever go back. This vacuum is far superior. I think it does an amazing job on both hard floors and carpet. And it may be a bit heavier, yes, but the performance, honestly, is a game changer. And I really don't mind the weight. And the fact that, again, it has so many attachments, and it's great for somebody that has a pet like us. That is it for this evening clean with me. I'm definitely heading to bed. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that you enjoy, and I will see you again for another video.